Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? Today is a day of Cardano because this is very good change, and I'm very happy for Cardano. They are growing up and they are good change. You can check it out. The last change. This is just last 1 hour change. You check it out. Plus 1.15%, absolutely good change. If you, this is live price predication of Cardano, you check here, just highest change 1.14 US dollar. This is good change, and I think this is the selling time. This is absolutely selling time. Okay, let's check it out. The last 2 hour result. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news. I updating you anytime. Okay, so just subscribe button, press the subscribe button, and don't forget to like video. Okay, 1.6 highest change of last hour. This is 2 hour, last 2 hour highest change as plus 1.6. This is absolutely going good. Okay, so let's check it out. The highest change of Cardano, this is 1.14 US dollar. This is absolutely good highest change, and this is, I think this is selling time. This is selling time for Cardano holders. Just sell it. I think the 1.14 US dollar, absolutely good change. This is absolutely good earning. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news. I updating you anytime cryptocurrencies, anytime, any hour. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.